Assalamu alaikum. If you are still using complicated Excel formulas like this, you don't need them anymore. My name is Ali and I'll show you how. Excel just released a new Copilot function which lets you tell Excel the goal, not the steps. Let's say we have a list of employees and we need to calculate their bonuses based on ratings and bonus rule. Traditionally, this would be done using the if function with multiple conditions, which feels more like writing computer code and can be especially difficult for beginners. However, with the new Copilot function, we can simply describe what we want in plain language. In this example, we'll just say fill the bonus based on rating, then we'll select the cells containing the employee ratings. Then type the bonus rule, select the relevant cells and hit the enter. And just like that, the bonuses are filled automatically. That's how Copilot function simplifies complex logic in seconds and you don't need to memorize complex formulas. Hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for more videos. Allah Hafiz.